If you're looking to set up Livestorm for webinars with multiple hosts, you're in the right place. This quick Livestorm guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get up and running fast, even if you're new to the software. Stick around because I'll also reveal a special extended free trial offer at the end that you won't want to miss. First, let's dive straight into creating a webinar. When you log into Livestorm, you'll be greeted with the option to create an event. Choose Webinar, and you'll be prompted to enter the details like the title, date, and time. Now, when it comes to having multiple hosts, Livestorm makes this process incredibly simple, but there are a few steps you need to know. Under the Team section, you'll see an option to add hosts. This is where the magic happens for a multi-host setup. All you need to do is invite your co-hosts by entering their email addresses. Once they accept, they'll be able to join the webinar as hosts. You can even assign different roles to your team members, from co-host to presenter, allowing you to easily control who has the ability to share content, moderate chats, or present to your audience. Here's an important tip. If you're running a webinar with multiple hosts, it's crucial to check your audio and video settings ahead of time. Livestorm allows you to switch between hosts and presenters smoothly, but to avoid any disruptions during the webinar, make sure all hosts have their microphones and cameras properly set up before going live. Once the hosts are set up, it's time to manage the flow. Livestorm's layout is pretty straightforward. You'll be able to control what's shown to the audience, whether it's your slides, video, or a mix of both. When you have multiple hosts, each person can take control of the screen to present content at different times. This is particularly helpful if you're running a panel discussion or if you want to give each host their time to shine. Livestorm also has a feature called Stage, which is great for switching between hosts smoothly. If you want to switch from one host to another mid-session, simply click the Stage button and Livestorm will automatically switch the live stream to the next person. This ensures that your audience always sees the right host at the right time without having to manually adjust anything on your end. Another great feature for multiple hosts is the ability to manage the Q&A and chat features. As hosts, you can toggle chat moderation and decide whether to allow audience comments or keep them private. You can also decide who gets to answer the questions, ensuring a smooth interaction with your audience during the live event. When it's time to finish up, Livestorm makes it easy to end your webinar and download the recording. You can even share it directly with your audience or store it for future use. The software automatically records the entire session, which is perfect if you want to repurpose the content later. For those of you who want to try Livestorm for yourself, you can use the exclusive link in the description to access the software for free and get an extended trial period. Livestorm is the perfect platform for webinars, whether you're running a small event or managing multiple hosts for a larger session. With this quick guide, you should be ready to set up Livestorm for webinars with multiple hosts in no time. Remember, it's a super intuitive platform, but knowing these tricks can really help streamline your webinar production. Don't forget to grab the extended free trial from the link below. It's your chance to explore Livestorm with no commitments and extra bonuses to get you started.